Hello everyone. Today I am going to present my paper. First, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Putu Widnyani and our team is Nyoman Diah Utari Dewi. We are from Magister Public Administration Postgraduate Program Universitas Ngurah Rai Denpasar, Bali. Okay, the subject of my talk is COVID-19 handling model based on local indigenous in Klungkung Regency, Bali Province. Let me start by giving you some background information. Pandemic coronavirus disease COVID-19 is a global pandemic that has swept all over the world, including Indonesia. Each region has handling model adapted to regional conditions, customs, and culture. Likewise, in Klungkung Regency, the handling of COVID-19 was elaborated between government policy and local indigenous. The phenomenon that occurred in Klungkung Regency is the case of patent had decreased, even reaching 0%. Sometime later, there were additional cases, but not so significantly balanced by the number of patents recovered. This shows that the handling model applied in Klungkung Regency is effective. So, here is the literature review that we use to solve the problems. Local wisdom is culture as a characteristic of developing in a society. According to Pandit, based on culture means based on the social behavior patterns of community members, customs, habits, ancestral heritage, and others. The concept of collaborative governance, according to Asel and Guest, collaborative governance is a concept where the importance of a condition in which public actors and private actors work together in certain ways and process which will produce the right legal products, rules, and policy for the public or society. Pentahelic is the collaboration of 5 elements. Pentahelic, according to Hawkins, is the optimization of the role of academic, business, community, government, and media in developing goals because it relates to policy made by governments. Turning our attention now to the method used, the qualitative descriptive approach with the location of study at Klungkung Regency, Bali Province. The technique used in selecting the informants was purposive. The study gathered two types of data with primary and secondary data. The data collection technique used were literature study, observation, and interview. The next one is result and discussion. The behavior of the Klungkung community in handling the COVID-19 pandemic was carried out by collaborating two events, namely, the first, basically in the form of implementing the government's appeal to obey health protocols. Second, psychologically in the form of carrying out cultural beliefs that are believed from generation to generation. This table, Pentahelic Collaboration Indicator and Local Wisdom in Handling COVID-19, describes the indicator of Pentahelic Collaboration and Local Wisdom in Handling COVID-19. The table describes the variables, indicator, and parameters that can be used as a reference for dealing with the COVID-19 pandemic. That the collaborative aspect of handling the COVID-19 pandemic was initiated by the government in collaboration with stakeholders involving traditional institutions to organize a culture of trust in Klungkung Regency. In this case, namely the government that uphold participatory, deliberative, and deliberation and consensus values between its actors and stakeholders, so that it can work optimally to achieve goals in collaboration in order to fight the COVID-19 pandemic. In conclusions, let me sum up my main points. The first, handling model COVID-19 can collaborate between academic, business, community, government, media collaborating with traditional institutions through leading government as a sector. And the second, increasing people's immunity by carrying out local culture beliefs. Psychologically, it can increase immunity. So that the collaboration between physical and psychologically is carried out in a balanced manner. That's all. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day.